Plouise has been on a pretty big sale lately, so I, of course, bought some stuff from the TikTok shop. I purchased the $52 mystery bundle, as well as like some other things. Just I wanted to get it over $100 because that's how you got free shipping. So I'll start with the things that I picked out, and then we'll do the other in part 2. First, I got the Plouise cut carver. I thought this would be fun to try. I do like a good cut crease. So, okay. Ooh, it has a little bit of a scent to it. It's kind of like a Vaseline kind of feel. I don't know. We'll definitely try that in an upcoming video and see if we like this better than concealer for our cut creases. Then I really like the eyeshadow base, so I got some of the colored ones to try. I picked out 3. This one is Butter Blondie. The next one is Pretentious Peach. I like a good color base to go under like glitters, because glitters usually aren't that pigmented. And this last one is Winter Rose. I think these were like roughly about $4 each on the sale. I like those. Last thing that I ordered separately. Everything else is part of the bundle. This is Peach Perfection. And this is the palette. I like that. Oh, I like the shimmer. I really like this palette. I think I'll get a lot of use out of that, especially towards like the fall, because oranges to me scream fall. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Did you snag anything from the Plouise stuff?